Hello traders. Without wasting much time, let's quickly take a look at what Bitcoin price action is going to do in this coming week. Yeah. So all through last week, we have been trading in this gigantic range, and currently on Friday, we rejected from the uptrend, from this downtrend anchored VWAP. And right now, we have a liquidity above the price. When we connect these two highs and this one, there's a liquidity above here. Let me get the exact point. Yeah. Yeah. We have a liquidity above there, and even though the price rejected from the downtrend anchored VWAP on Friday after the jobs opening news that was released during New York Open, during New York session actually. So this level, this important level of resistance, daily naked point of control, and the daily horizontal resistance level has been tapped. Price weeks into it, price actually wicked above it and rejected below it. Price started closing down below it, and ever since then we have been ranging between this little chunk of price action. So right now I decided to leave this level here because we rejected a major level of resistance, being the daily horizontal resistance level, and also being the daily naked point of control level. And now if price should continue bullish, the closest place where I would expect the price to react from would be this daily naked point of control. This daily naked point of control, and also at 60,000, 70,650. If we also pull the anchored VWAP from this low that was made last week, from that low to this to the current price action, you see that the level is also in perfect confluence with this region, value area high of the entire range. This is value area high of the entire range. If you pull our fixed range volume profile, is also in perfect confluence with the daily naked point of control, and also the uptrend anchored VWAP is not far from there. So going to lower time frame now to check out this region on the lower time frame, we'll see that this we have some kind of ugly lows here, like a liquidity, an obvious liquidity that is begging to be taken away by price. So going to 30 minutes time frame, and don't forget that what Bitcoin price loves to do is during a new week, it likes to take out the weekend low. All these ugly lows here are all weekend lows. So I won't be surprised if price coming into this new week now fake out this range to grab the liquidity, then react from the uptrend anchored VWAP and up it goes. Then there is a little barrier to the upside here, which is this previous day value area high. How is it previous day value area high? I got that region from, if we pull the volume from, was it Saturday? Yeah, from Friday beginning to, okay, that was Saturday value area high to, yeah, Saturday, yeah, to Sunday, to So we have a value area high around this region. So if you also pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from that high that was made on Friday to this current low, you see that we have the 618, the golden pocket region, to be in perfect confluence with this daily naked point of control and daily uh, horizontal resistance level. So if price keeps going bullish now, we'll expect, I would expect this region, this area of price from 72,550, 72,500 and 72,640 to be an area where the price would reject from. Then if we would start closing candles above this region aggressively, perhaps it flipped here again to support, break through it, and then we can be looking for higher prices. After the price must have gotten to this area of liquidity here and still closes above. If we close above 74k, because when price gets here, I'll be expecting a kind of swing failure in price to close below, then we'll retest that level to come to the downside. But if we start closing candle bullishly above here, then we'll be expecting higher prices around 78 and $81,000 region, because during this, or if price could successfully get into this region now, there's nothing actually holding price. A volume gap region. It's a low volume region. So that's a bullish case scenario. But for bearish case scenario, I would be expecting the price to react from this previous support and previous resistance level of between 72.5 to 72.700, 72.6. I'll be expecting the price to react from there and then come get rejected to the downside. We just keep playing this range around. And also we also have another important region around this zone. Don't forget that this is a liquidity zone that is also begging to be taken away by price from this region to all here, even to this, up to this zone. Let me just stop it here. Yeah, up to this zone. This is a liquidity that price is begging to take away. And so if price starts coming down and we fail to bounce from this region, because I'll be expecting this low to be taken, then if price fails to do something like this and reject, bounce to the upside, if you keep rejecting to the downside, I would expect the price to bounce from this high volume node of the entire range. If you go to 4 hours time frame, you see what I'm talking about. This will be the high volume node of the entire range ever since price bounced from $60,000 region, $59,000 region. That's the high volume node of the entire range. And we also have 8-hour order block around there. So I'll be expecting price to tap into the value high volume node of the range, which is also known as the point of control of the range. Then this will be the last line in the sand that Bitcoin needs to hold. If it fails to hold this region, price start breaking aggressively below this region, then we'll expect the price to, you know, the deal, to come down and sweep all this liquidity. Now we cannot extend this now since we have a new low again. Okay. We'll be expecting the price to sweep all this liquidity, then tap into the daily naked point of the monthly naked point of control and the daily horizontal support level. All these are support region at 57,958 185, just between those price regions. So this will be the area where I will be much interested in heavy long. I've shown this level severally and I still have it. Let me see. It's my swing long region, yeah. So this will be the region where I'll be expecting price to get to if we start closing candle aggressively below the value, the point of control of the range, and losing all this region to the downside. This is the ultimate long that I'll be interested in, and all the ultimate short I'll also be interested in is also this 89,100 price region, and between 89.1 to 89.5 thereabouts. That's where I'll be interested in mega longs and mega shorts. So that's it. That's all I have for now. Okay. Then let me show this region very well. Going to lower time frames, we have this region and also this liquidity behind here. Have some kind of little liquidity behind here. Price, if price sweep all the liquidity here, it will also sweep the one here. So can sweep this liquidity, this little liquidity into the range point of control. Then we can also get a rejection from here. The price could also reject from here to the upside. Then if it fails to hold this last line in the sand, perhaps we could go lower. The price could then go lower. So that's all I have for now. That's all I have for now. Area of interest, immediate area of interest for the coming week will be this region. Daily naked point of control in confluence with value area high of the range. Then we also have anchored VWAP just below there. This will be the area I'll be expecting. I'll be interested in taking trades. Right now, this is just the middle of the range. You don't want to start trading or hoping for the best. Jump into trades in the middle of the range like this and hoping for the best, because you can easily get wiped out to the downside and you get liquidated, or if price moves to the upside, you get liquidated. You cannot hold this level of drawdown, guys. So that is why you have to treat your trading as if you are setting trap for price. You get, so when the price eventually gets there, when you see your bullish reaction or you see your bearish reaction, then you can start reacting to price. You react to what the price shows you. Just always wait for the price to show you its hand. Always wait for the price to show you what it's going to do. Then you can now make your decision as to what to trade. If you are going to be locking any trade where you could, then it will be obvious to where you can set your stop loss and calculate your risk to reward instead of randomly jumping into trade in the middle of the range and hoping for the best. That's gamble, guys. Trading is not done that way. I'm not trying to teach anyone how to trade. I'm just teaching you guys how to apply logic. Everything is logic, guys. In trading, everything is logic. That's all I have for now. So this is not his financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly the way I trade. And if you like this style of trading and you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so that you'll be the first to get this kind of content next time I'm dropping them. So if you like this style of trading, go to the website. The link will be in the description. Do have a lovely week ahead.